Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2020 Jaguar XE. Begin, you would need a long extension with a ratchet with a 13mm socket. The first step is you want to loosen up the first bolt that is in front of the battery itself. Use your long extension just to reach down there with your 13mm socket and turn clockwise until you feel that screw loosen up and take it directly out of the battery box itself. And this particular battery bracket itself has about 3 screws that is holding down this bracket. So we got one in the middle, one on the very back of the left, and one on the very back of the right as well. So right now we're going to proceed to the left side of the battery and loosen up that bolt that is holding down this battery bracket. Once you get those screws up, the battery bracket should be able to lift up off the battery itself. Your next step is you want to proceed to get your 10mm socket or a wrench, and you want to proceed to the negative terminal, which is also known as the ground, and you want to loosen up that bolt to get off that negative terminal on the battery itself. So you want to proceed to your positive terminal, and you want to use your 10mm socket or your wrench and loosen up that screw as well for the positive terminal and take that terminal off the post as well. We also got another battery bracket that's also holding down this battery itself, that's on the side of the battery itself. So this battery actually had 4 screws on a battery bracket that is holding down a battery. And make sure you want to take off the vent on the well on the side of the battery itself, as well as a little vent that has a tube on the side of the battery. Just pull that out with your hand as well. So what we're proceeding to now, right above the battery itself, there is another big bar across that. So we're basically taking our 13mm socket and we're loosening up those 2 screws as well. So we want to make sure that we don't want to have no wires crossing up in this 2020 Jaguar SE. Okay, so we're taking the battery out. As you see, we had some heavy duty 13mm socket we used to get some bolts out to be able to free this bracket out. If it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation with a Z, or we're adding great value today, we're showing you exactly how to install your battery. We just ask one thing, just hit the like button. The like button actually puts this video into the algorithm that will help other people as well. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this vehicle. You can pick up at our website at batteryguyzwithaz.com and save yourself half the price, shipped directly to your house or your business, free delivery, and we guarantee this battery up to a 2-year warranty as well. If this is your first time visiting the channel, you might think about also subscribing to the channel as well, because we're showing all cool installations that we do here at Battery Guyz. Not only just automobiles, we do all types of equipments here. We also we show you exactly the process of how we recycle batteries for recycling, actually to reconditioning the world's best reconditioned battery that is sold nationwide as well too. So we do a lot of cool things on the channel. So what we're doing, we're basically just putting the post back onto the battery itself. We put the negative on first, then we got the positive. Proceed to bolt down this bracket. This takes a 13mm socket for this bracket here on the side. Okay, so we're putting the negative terminal back onto the battery post, tighten up positive post and also to the negative post as well with a 10mm socket or wrench. Just turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt tighten up. The last steps we're doing, we're putting the last screws up for that battery bracket on the left and right side of the back of the battery itself. Just put those screws in and use your 13mm socket and tighten up those bolts. The last step, we're going to put that bar right above the battery itself. When we're installing a battery, we want to make sure that we have enough space. We don't want to get no wires and stuff tangled up in anything as well. When we are installing a customer's battery, we make sure we want to take our time and do a very professional install. And this is exactly how you install a battery in a 2020 Jaguar SE. Make sure that you like, comment, and share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.